Yo, what is up, guys? It is really loud right now. What's up, Carter?
What's up?
Are we balling right now? It is so loud right now. Say hi to the cam. So, as soon as this thing shuts off, I will update you guys on what's going on, which is gonna happen like right now with the power of edit. Oh man, much better. All right, so we got two Subarus in. Well, technically that one's not a Subaru. It's like more of a Toyota 86. But here's the fake SDI right here.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
Fake yet.
Soon. So we are here installing his dash cam for his fake SDI.
We also have another surprise coming in, right?
Yeah, we have a pretty funny surprise for you Milk Tea Motors fam and other people too. So let's get started. What happened? Import doll. Here? Okay. I have no idea. But yeah, alright, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright, Carter. We're gonna need you to explain what these are.
Yes. Nice to meet you today. Alright guys, so like I said on the drive over here, we're going to be installing the Type S Auto dash cam and finish up the rest of the exterior lights. So not only are we going to have the sides done, we're also going to have the front and back.
Exterior lights done.
Yeah. Double block. No, I'm kidding.
Get the out of my face, dude. Holy shit. You want to explain to the audience what we got here?
Alright guys, for the SoCal exotic rap people, we got the Type S Auto Dual View dash cam.
Ooh.
And we're going to be finishing up the exterior lighting kit. So Brian already did the sides for me, but we're going to rewire those and then we're going to get the full kit. So not only going to get the sides, we're going to get the front and back too.
And I heard he's also bagging his car.
Hell no! Broke.
Dude, I got bags right here. I got you, man. Right there. Just a little bit of like modifications, a lot of modifications, and then hopefully it fits.
Hang on. I got $1.
Oh my god, he's gonna give me $1. Alright, so with that being said, we're gonna do like a little vlog, little tutorial on how to install a front and rear dash cam on Subaru WRX. Alright, cool. So, the unboxing of this.
Do you want a knife?
No. I'll come out for you. I'm good. I'm good, man. Knife doesn't solve all problems.
Whoa, that got dark real quick.
Oh, that's hot.
Alright, so this is the kit. You've never opened this.
No, like I just got it the other day.
Oh, dang. Alright, so this is what we got. We got the camera itself. Does it have a memory card in it? Yes, it does. So it comes with a
Oh, it does.
16 gig memory card.
It's not bad.
It's actually pretty good. This build actually looks really nice.
Shout out to Type S Auto, our sponsor.
Hell yeah. Link in the description below. This is the mount for suction, and your power goes in here. Interesting. Okay, cool. So we're actually gonna modify this so it stays. Do you want it constant or?
Yeah, I want a constant.
Okay, so we're gonna do that. I believe.
I think that's the module for it to connect the rear camera to the front.
No, this is it.
Oh.
This is from the rear camera to the front.
Oh,
Right
what's
here.
that?
That might be. Let's take a look at what it says. I think it's a data transfer cable.
Oh, that makes
Number
sense.
5. USB cable for PC. Yep.
Okay.
So I was right.
But there's an app for this too, right?
There should be an app for this.
If not, then I kind of have to edit that part out where I said there's an app for it.
There should be an app. I don't see why it wouldn't have it.
I have, because I have the Type S Auto app on my phone and it said camera, so I'm assuming it links up.
Yeah. Well, we'll find out. All right. So yeah, that's what it is. So now we're gonna start installing right now. Alrighty. So this camera is the rear camera. We're actually gonna go through this way and towards the front. So I'm following the wiring. It goes basically towards the driver's side, so it should be fine. So I'm gonna mount it right at the dead center of this windshield. I'm gonna run everything through around here. So stay tuned.
So Brian's actually going to do all the work again.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna prep this dash and basically mount this based on where Carter wants it. So I think Carter, you would want it right in dead center. I would actually recommend in dead center.
Yeah, because the mirror's there anyway.
Yeah. So we're gonna spray it down with alcohol, clean it. You good? Cool. Now I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna put this right in. Not bad, not bad. And take this little rubber or this plastic seal off. Get this to mount right in dead center. Just like that. There we go. That looks good.
So this gurney flap is made of ABS plastic. I spray painted it to look like carbon fiber. So, as every Asian person knows, you know that kitchen liner? I use that as a stencil, so I spray painted it gray and then I put the kitchen liner over it as a stencil and just spray painted black over. Rice. Okay. And back to what you guys came for.
Wow. Wow.
Actually, right around here would be a better angle since they can see what you're working on. Ah, sorry. I like how we both have the NOS pillow though. But why do you hide yours in the back?
I keep it open in the back when you talk. You're in the vlog. I'm vlogging. I'm doing a tutorial. Very, very quick tutorial.
Fine. I'll be quiet.
Okay.
Now keep talking, make it more interesting.
Yeah, make me feel comfortable. Alright, so we got power. Is it in the frame?
Yeah, I think I might need to lower this a little bit.
Okay. Just like my self-esteem, right?
Whoa, that cut back.
Oof.
You know what? Your car's still not as low as my self-expectations.
Really? I thought it's lower.
I said dude, what? That didn't make any sense. I said your car isn't as low as my self-expectations.
Okay.
Also, if anybody watching the SoCal Exotic Rap YouTube channel is single, I'm turning 19 next week, just saying.
Did this guy really just auction himself off?
Yeah.
Fine by me.
That's probably getting edited out.
No, I'm keeping it in. Alright, Carter Chi.
Yes, sir.
I am going to run a custom line with this.
Okay.
Positive and negative. What I'll do is I'm gonna take the center console apart.
No, yeah, there's like tools you need to take out the center console. I literally just took it out the other day. There's 2 screws back there that you need to take out, something like that.
You wanna do that?
My technical pretty much know how to do it. Okay.
hurts, dude. I'm aware. Alright, back to the vlog. Oh, it's still running.
Yeah, it's been running. So they recorded all our weird dialogue.
Alright, so what we did... Okay, so what we did was... Okay, we're gonna cut.
No, you're putting that, keep that in, dude.
Alright, so what we did was we tried running power through this little grommet right here, and I hope this thing's actually focusing. Let me turn down.
Yeah, it's focused. Yeah, it's focused.
No, I'm gonna turn up the aperture really hard. There we go. Alright, so we tried running this. Oh, this shutter speed's so slow. Okay, so we tried running power through here, but it was no success. So what I did was I ran it all the way into this back one right here. Everything's all zip tied, and this is taped. This is all soldered in soon, and then this is what's left of it. What I did was I took this apart right here, and I rewired so that we have an extra slot for his cigarette lighter. Other than that, he could actually run another USB power for whatever he wants, but it needs to be in permanently. So yeah, that's about it. All right, we'll finish putting all this together and we should be good. Oh, hey, say hi to the vlog. There you go. She looks so confused. So we just completed installing the dash cam front and rear for Carter's car, and basically this is how it looks right there.
Did you just vape in my car?
I did not. I wish I did.
Oh, I know, that's because we spilled the energy drink. It smells like
So yeah, that's how it looks. It's in the dead center. And same thing back there. Just the only thing is it's actually visible, but it's just enough so that you know you get the point across. So it's recording right when you turn it on, 1080p in the front and 720p in the rear. And I believe this one has night vision too, so I'm not sure. But if it does, it's pretty cool. So yeah, next